Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my white Air Jordan 1s. I'm not sure if I said that right, but that's what I'm going to be doing today. I am only using 3 things because I'm trying this hack that I saw on Pinterest. So I'm going to be using a toothbrush, some baking soda, water. Also, I'm sorry for the echo, and I'm sick, so I sound really stuffy, so I apologize for that. But yeah, let's get right on into this video. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take out my laces. So I just took my shoelaces out, shoelace out, and my shoes are like this. I'm going to get my toothbrush, and I'm going to dip it in the water, and then I'm going to dip it in the baking soda, and then I'm going to brush it off. So I got some on there, but yeah, I got some on there. And I got some napkins set up in front of me too. Okay, so now I'm about to clean my shoe. I don't know how to show you guys. And I'm also moving in a circular motion.
I'm on a whole nother level, I'm dodging the devil, they hitting my line and I block. Finally better.
Guys, so right now I'm at Fuzzy's with my mom. She took me here today with my sister. And I'll show you guys the food that we're eating. So yeah, I had some beans and rice, and I had 2 chicken tacos. Yeah, and I got some root beer because I can't have a margarita. But yeah, that's all I got. So after my shoes dry, when I'm done cleaning them, I'm going to wipe it off with a napkin because this stuff gets flaky. I don't know if I like that, but it is cleaning my shoes. This is actually working. And these are my leather Air Jordan 1s. I think I'm close to done with cleaning them. I actually think I am done. I'm gonna wipe them off with a napkin, and then I'm gonna place on another napkin for it to dry. And then I'll wash my guys, so I just finished cleaning my shoes. I'm sorry if the lighting looks different. The sun's going down and it looks pretty weird right now. But I finished cleaning them both. Here is what they look like. If my camera focuses ever. There it is. See? And yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys next time.